Hi everyone, in this part I am going to explain you how to set up your environment for Angular development. To use the Angular framework you should be familiar with the following technologies: JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Also the knowledge of TypeScript is very helpful. To get started, make sure your development environment includes Node.js and an npm package manager. Angular requires a current active LTS or maintenance LTS version of Node.js. To get Node.js, go to https://nodejs.org. As I already downloaded and installed it, I'm not gonna install it, but make sure that you install the downloaded package on your local machine. npm package manager. Angular, the CLI and apps depend on features and functionality provided by libraries that are available as npm packages. To download and install npm packages, you must have an npm package manager. In this course, we will use the npm command line interface, which is installed with Node.js by default. To check that you have the npm client installed, run npm -v in a terminal or console window. Step 1. Install the Angular CLI. You use the Angular CLI to create projects, generate applications and library code, and perform a variety of ongoing development tasks such as testing, bundling and deployment. To install the CLI using npm, open a terminal or console window and enter the following command: npm install -g for global @angular/CLI and enter. Step 2. Create a workspace and initial application. We will develop apps in the context of an Angular workspace. Create a new workspace and initial starter app. Run the CLI command ng-new and provide the name myapp. The ng-new command prompts you for information about features to include in the initial app. You can accept the defaults by pressing the enter or select an option. And it also installs the necessary Angular npm packages and other dependencies. This can take a few minutes. Step 3. Run the application. The Angular CLI includes a server so that you can easily build and serve your app locally. Go to your workspace folder by typing cd myapp and run the following command: ng serve -open or just o. The ng serve command launches the server, watches your files and rebuilds the app as you make changes to those files. As I said, the -open or just -o option automatically opens your browser to HTTP localhost 4200. You will see your first Angular app running on your local machine. That means we set up and installed the Node.js, Angular and Angular CLI successfully. So, see you in the next part. Until then, bye bye.